Alright.
Yeah,
Resolved.
Resolved was awesome preaching down there, and a couple of things that I got resolved. First one is like, besides like listening to other preachers, I realized that I need to preach to myself more, talk to myself about sin, condemning sin in my life. Number one. Second one is just
Resolved.
resolved. Second thing I got resolved is stop caring about this earth and nature and
John MacArthur, yeah.
John MacArthur
Yeah.
message, and just go kill a deer and enjoy some burgers.
Yeah.
Third thing, what's the name? There was a double header by John Piper's, like
Resolved.
resolved. I got resolved the sovereignty of God, because it's a hard topic to deal with. Like, why is it sin in this world? Why did God, what's name, allow Satan to be in this world? Why he doesn't punish sin right now? This and that.
The problem of evil.
Problem of will of resolved.
Resolved.
And
what was that one? What are you going to resolve in that?
Huh? The
What?
problem of evil, and why God is sovereign God and a loving God.
Yeah. So you're going to reflect on it. Is that what you're saying? More? What?
No, it's resolved. The sovereignty of God.
Oh, okay.
Doubting.
Your resolve is that
I
this is resolved.
that God is a good God, with him, and a sovereign God.
And He's just.
And He's a just
Okay.
judge and God. So I got to resolve this one as well. The problem with how to deal with sin, by Steve Lawson.
Yeah,
that was
he's cool.
awesome message. 5 things, and I was like, I got really like, what's the name? How you call it? I resolved with whom I should hang out and with whom I shouldn't, and just this Mahaney's sermon on Psalms 42 we watched on the internet. Was awesome. Like, I felt that God was decent for me, and now I resolved singing for Jesus in my car, and by with a worship band called Infield. Was awesome.
Oh yeah, they were good.
Yeah, so I sing, with them every time I ride the car. So I resolved this singing for Jesus every time I do. Thank you. That's it.